we may go to our next speaker, Andrea Lorenzon, who will present h5nuvola, if I pronounce it correctly.
Hello, yes, you did. h5nuvola. So, hello, everyone. Thank you, first of all, to Laurie and Andy for this time window. So I'll take a couple of minutes, really a couple of minutes, since we are late of your time, to give you a quick glance of one of our ongoing projects that is indeed h5nuvola. So it is an HDF5 web browser that as you have already seen others, that allows users to explore dataset metadata without the need to enter code, of course. It's made to be flexible for different dataset formats and to guarantee reproducibility in the spirit of the FAIR data. Well, it's a pretty simple application at the moment. It's based on a Python Flask server using a h5pi for file I/O, NumPy for internal data storage and manipulation, and the most used Python libraries for visualization. So it can be run locally, hosted on cloud services, and we use it at Elettra Sincrotrone in Italy as a default browser for users' experiments. To make it easy for anyone to contribute and customize, we try to avoid all fancy advanced JavaScript frameworks like Angular or React, and focusing all development effort on Python and the minimal possible quantity of plain HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So the appearance is pretty minimal with the file browser to explore the user folders. And when a valid HDF is selected, groups and datasets can be explored and browsed. If a valid dataset or group is recognized, the content is shown. And if it's a dataset, a plot is dynamically generated. And the users can save the current plot view, including the actual zoom level, on a PDF report to be downloaded at the end of the session. So default 1D, 2D, and 3D plots are made with standard Bokeh visualization. But custom applications that require different custom plot can be easily integrated as plugins from other libraries like Plotly, Seaborn, or just plain matplotlib. So at the moment, I'm planning to add more controls for things like labels and aesthetics of the default plots. And I'm also been working at other visualization tools whose functionalities will be included in h5nuvola as custom plugins as soon as users will adopt HDF as their main data format. And we are pushing as a CERIC in that direction. I'm also planning of adding dataset search capabilities using our data catalog to find datasets. So I promise you to be fast, and I was, I think. So thank you for your time, and feel free to contact me for any other information, or if you are interested in contributing in the development. Thank you.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank all speakers. We even ended ahead of time, so we have about 10 minutes for questions, comments, please. And thank you once again, Andrea. Let's see if there are any questions for you first.